that we want to ensure that the language that is given to us goes to them. We want to also keep them involved in ceremonies because that understanding way of life that Creator gave to us as well, we want to make sure it's there for them. At the end of all that is what we say, that middle Bamazian. You take that language, you take that culture, you take that identity, you're going to live that good life Creator intended you to live. So we make sure our little ones grow up in that way. So this is our Tiny Top song. This is our future. The chiefs, future chiefs, future lodge leaders, future engineers, you name it, they're all out there. Doctors, lawyers, judges, maybe even the next Prime Minister of Canada. All right, here we go. Crazy Spirit, Patty Pops, come on, little ones.